To begin, in Safari, you're going to go to sites.google.com to get to the page to start a new website. We are wanting to start a site from scratch, so we are going to choose the blank option. Here you can start to toggle with your options for your title page. You can change the title of your website. I'm going to use sample site. You can change the text that will show on your home page by clicking on the text box and then the pencil, and then typing your name or some type of title of your choosing. You can change the font, size, boldness, whatever you would like, as well as upload or select a photo for your banner. You can change the style of your banner to make it larger or smaller, or not include a banner at all, but just the actual text. Under Insert on the right-hand menu bar, you can select Image in the right corner, and we can upload a photo to include on our title page. Once your home page is complete with a title and an image, we can add a new page in the right-hand navigation. The middle tab is Pages. We will click on New Page. You can title your new page with whatever element you're adding. I'm going to add a photo gallery and click Done. The same instructions apply. You can change the text in the title on the page, changing the font, changing the size, using bold or italics. You can also change the cover image by uploading a photo of your choice, or you can leave the background as is. We will then go to the right-hand navigation again and click Insert and choose Image Carousel, and we will select images to include in our gallery. Once you've selected the images for your image carousel, you will click Insert. At this point, you can change the style and size of the image carousel that will show on this particular page that you've created. The style in which the photo gallery will look, you can choose from the side menu. It changes the background from either white to gray to blue. And if you click on the settings and then the settings icon in the right corner of that, you can choose to include the dots on your carousel, have captions, and have an auto start option where it will play through the photos that you've chosen at a particular speed, slow, medium, or fast. We are now going to add another page from the right-hand navigation under Pages, New Page, and title it for your timeline, and click Done. For the timeline, you are going to insert your timeline underneath your banner, which you can again adjust that title, font, and banner. And we are going to insert a Google slide as your timeline. This will be the easiest way to build the timeline and update it as you need and keep your website up to date. In Google Slides, you can create a slideshow, create your timeline with the appropriate chronological events. Be sure to share this Google slideshow with your teacher so that when they are on the website, they're able to view the Google Slides on the website as well. Now we can select that timeline from our slides on Google Sites, and once we've chosen to insert that Google slideshow, it will be placed onto your timeline page. You can adjust the size so it's a little bit larger and easy to view. And you can change the settings to auto start. You can loop a playback so it will continuously play, and choose how long each slide will show. To add another page, we'll go under Pages in the right navigation, click on New Page, and title this one for your blog, and click Done. Here, to insert the correct options for your blog, I would choose a content block. This gives you an image with a paragraph style element to the page where you can title this section with possibly the date of your blog or some type of creative title of your choice. You have the space underneath the title of this section to then write some blog description or paragraph. And then each blog or content block that you've added can also have a photo to go along with it. You can add as many of these content blocks as you want and choose each title as you see fit to show some organization on this page of your website. Again, it could be dates for the blog, it could be titles, whichever you prefer. And then you can add the actual text of the blog underneath those titles by clicking the pencil to edit in each text box. If at any point you want to view what your website would look like to your viewers, you can click on the computer mobile icon in the top and it'll show you what the page will look like, and you can navigate through your entire website to see what each page is looking like to your audience and those that are visiting your website. There's also a settings icon at the top bar of the page where you can toggle with some settings. The navigation you can change to have as a drop-down menu instead of across the top. You can change the color of that bar along the top of your page. Once you feel like your website is complete, it is now time to publish, clicking on the blue button in the top right-hand corner. You can choose to change the web address. You may want to include your last name as a possible identifier for your website, and you can click publish. You'll also want to share this with your teacher, so you can type in your teacher's email address and make them the published viewer, meaning anyone who is a published viewer can view the site after it's published, and click share.